This video is demonstrating how to download Selenium jar files. So simply navigate to your browser, enter selenium.dev. Here click on downloads. Here I am taking Java. So I am click on stable link. My Selenium zip file is added to downloads. After download the zip file, go to downloads. Here I am copying that zip file and create a one folder like Selenium in my desktop. And here I am pasting the zip file and right click on that. Here an option called extract all and extract the zip file. After extract, here we see all executable jar files of Selenium. So that's it. Your Selenium jar file is downloaded successfully.